Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into CSS Transitions, a tool that makes your website feel smoother and more professional. Normally, when you change a CSS property like color or size, it happens instantly. But with transition, you can control how quickly the change occurs and make it feel natural. A transition needs four main things: the property you want to animate, the duration of the effect, the timing function like is or linear, and optionally a delay before it starts. I give you an example here. Transition, background color, 0.5 seconds is. This means the background color will change smoothly over half second. Imagine a button that changes color smoothly when you hover over it, or a card that expands gently when clicked. That's the magic of transitions. Here I give you idea, try to apply this, but it's optional. You could do it if you know how to do it. We created a button with a hover effect that smoothly changes its background color and grows slightly inside. And I give you a tip. Keep transition short, 0.3 seconds to 0.6 seconds, so they feel responsive but not too slow. And transitions are simple to use but very powerful. With them, your site will look and feel much more engaging. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. This part of the course is going to be better than before, and it's going to be harder because now we have to create a website, a real website in a simple but a modern and effective way. So I have to train to you to use the real layouts that the professional web development uses in their real life. So see you there.